To me, the most important thing is to understand why we meditate. You see, I'm not comfortable. It's important to be comfortable. And to be comfortable, ideally, the thighs are horizontal, but because I have scoliosis, I have to have a little higher. So everyone has to find the comfortable position. But it's very important, whatever is the initial reason we want to meditate. Meditation is the conscious effort of applying all our attention to find God or to be in contact with God. Okay, what is the main obstacle? That the mind goes everywhere. So Paramahansa Yogananda teaches that in order to meditate, we need to practice pranayamas, which is moving the energy up and down the spine, and that exercises withdraw the energy from the senses. This is why when we meditate for a while, we really don't feel the rush of I have to do something. We are at peace there. It's important to always have this concept, is to contact God, And there is a very important ingredient, like Kash told you. What did Kash say? Love what?
It is through love that you'll understand the journey.
Exactly. It is through love that we are going to understand the journey. So when we meditate, Paramahansa Yogananda says, devotion is a very important ingredient. Devotion is the love that we have for God. So we need to bring this love somehow. When I started meditating, I was 18, and I thought my heart was a piece of rock because I never felt love. I felt attraction for people, but not the love. And I start meditating, and all of a sudden I start feeling that love. And I didn't fall in love with a woman or nothing like that. So we need to put the love, even if we don't know exactly what it means, but give the love to God. And God responds.